Nobody has seen or heard from me in a minute. I want to start this video off saying the car world lost a really great guy in Carlos Cook. You guys have seen him comment. He's the one that's got the 34 Chevy Coupe that I've wanted. He passed away earlier in the week, and one hell of a nice guy, guys. He was a fan. He's come to watch me race. He's come and hung out with me at the car shows. Just a great guy, great car guy, and we're gonna miss him. So, Red Reaper. Everybody probably wondering where the hell I went. One, I'd go out in the field and work. My brother, we changed some stuff on the car. The new Pro Charger drive, we had to redo the front end and stuff for it because they changed a little bit of shit up. So my brother's been doing all the fabrication while I've been working. He got the fabrication done actually earlier in the week, and we just now rolled it out of the trailer. So it's not done, but everything's fitted. I just got to start popping rivets and putting screws in the windows and stuff like that, and I got to finish wiring it and plumbing it. So here it is. This is the new car, set super high up in the air. It almost looks like a four-wheel drive. Show them the car. Walk around it. Don't focus too much on the back. Probably the lowest slung car I think I've ever built. It's 3.5 inches in the front frame rail and 4 in the back. And to be perfectly honest with you guys, since he put the motor in it, did the fabrication on the discharge tubes and stuff, I haven't even seen it, and that's no bullshit. So we're gonna see it for the first time at the same time. What's that hood right back there? Versus these over here. Got a lot of bolting stuff on here. A lot. Got dark in here with all the windows covered up. Oh, turned it off. Oh, that was tough to put that deck lid. Mm-hmm. Split the deck lid still. Well, there it is. I don't be a son bitch to get off there. Oh, that's already been off. That's gonna be a son bitch to get off of there. Well, I gotta terminate the wire. Believe it or not, all the floor, all the panels and everything's done for it. It's just a matter of, like, all the coil brackets are made, all the boxes have been mounted. We just took them loose and moved them around. So it looks like it's a super long way away, but it really isn't. Not as much as you'd think. At one time I had all the plumbing and everything done on it, but we're changing the fittings up to make it look different. So there it is, guys. That's the first time anybody's seen this car in a long time. And I'm gonna finish this one pretty close on it. I wanna try to get it done before race week, which I think I got like 2 weeks to do it in. But it's just little shit too. Everything's already been fitted and checked out. And just gotta get the thing screwed together and go test it. And get this one screwed together and go test it. There you guys are updated.